Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about how to renew a Porkbun domain 2025. So step number 1, log into your Porkbun account. You will arrive at the domain management screen, then click account in the top right corner and select domain management. Locate the domain you wish to renew and click refresh or recycle icon to the right of the domain under the renew column, then select add renewal to cart option. This menu also allows you to enable or disable automatic renewal for the domain. You'll be taken to your cart where you can see your domain name with a year of renewal added to it. If you wish to add additional years of renewal, click on the 1 year option and select up to 9 additional years of registration. Once you Once you're ready to check out, click Continue to Billing to complete your domain renewal purchase. Once you have paid, the additional registration will immediately be visible in your account and is Whois databases. And that's it. Your domain has been successfully renewed. You have a multiple domains you need to renew at once. You can save some time by taking advantage of our bulk management feature. That's it. Thanks for watching.